how to see your Google account password if you forgot it. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Passwords app on your device. Passwords is an inbuilt application of Apple that secures your passwords of all your accounts. So if you have saved your Google account password in the Password app, then simply tap on the search bar there and search for Google, and you will see all the Google accounts connected and saved in here. Simply tap on the account as password you are looking forward to see, and you will see the option for password. Tap on the password option in order to unhide the password and see your password. You can also tap on the copy password option you see there if you want to copy your password and paste it elsewhere. So this was about how you can see your Google account password if you forgot. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.